Pengam Bridge. So we'll catch up when we look through. We've got some trains running today. The trains, the freight, and the EMU. Plus the campsite. You know the branch line running again now as well. So there we are. All good. Pullmans are back in the station area, waiting for the next trip. The Grange on freight, Manfair Grange. $37 on iron ore. 25 on mixed freight. A lot of empty wagons going back by the look of it. Yeah. And EMU on local services. Slight alteration here to the branch line is a bit squiggly. And he's gone behind the pillar here. Between the bridge now. It's all good. I've altered the line for the station, look. That's coming across to the house buildings in the background now. I think that's better. We are thinking a road down here, level crossing, and on a road going another bridge then, that's my bridges. And we're going to go all the way around with the road down to here, down to the station. This is the latest thinking. But that won't be done for a while, but the station building, I'm going to keep this one now, I decided. It's not bad, yeah, it's alright. I got to get make some new platforms. But yeah, it's all good. I've got to make some tunnel mounts from by there, and the one behind me by the window. I got that branch line working off isolation switches for the time being. I've wired one in there, there's a switch there, look, next to all the very tidy wiring. You feel? That's all the points are wired now. So this controller here does that top section. Split into 3 zones. Zone A is down that end. Zone B is this end and Zone C is the fiddle yard at the back. So that's split there into 3 sections. This one at the moment is only wired to the station area. But I've got points now, point motors have come. I've got 6 point motors to go in there in the fiddle yard. So that's my next job. I've got a small cable up. I've done some cable, yeah. Blimey. There she is, look, the lights go off because she's in a dead zone. So all I do is I change the direction, hit the switch, and she's away. So it means that I'm going to worry about it. It's sort of semi-automatic, if you like, but it's on DCC. So, the idea being I might put sound in this bubble car or something, I'm thinking. And it'll also take the DMU. I need to get some sound in one of the DMUs as well. I love the sound of the DMUs. So that's the plan. And then nothing to the scenic. We're having a break from that at the moment. This station here, I'll just stop it if there's any questions, stop. No one there at the moment, look. So yeah, it's all good. I'll leave you with the train, so I'll catch you again. Thanks for watching. Bye for now. See that right heel grain. I've got to get some more steam or goats. Well, in the fullness of time. There's dirt on the track, I can hear the sound coming out there and there. I did saw in again yesterday, it's just, it's closed. Nightmare. Right, I'm off. I'll catch you again. Hold on out.